Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to help you understand the market. Today, October 24th, we're focusing on the QQQ, which represents the Nasdaq 100. Recent news has painted a mixed picture for the Nasdaq. On one hand, investors are growing cautious about the Federal Reserve's future rate cuts. The 10-year Treasury yield has been on the rise, which often weighs on rate-sensitive stocks, like those found in the tech-heavy Nasdaq. On the other hand, strong earnings reports from tech giants like Tesla have lifted spirits and pushed Nasdaq futures higher. This tug-of-war between concerns about interest rates and positive earnings news is creating volatility in the market. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that the QQQ has been trending upward for the past few weeks. However, the recent sell-off suggests that the bulls may be losing some momentum. We're seeing a clear rejection of the previous resistance level around 365. This resistance level could act as a barrier to further upside potential. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular understanding of the recent price action. We see a clear downtrend in the past few hours, indicating a lack of buying pressure. There's a potential support level around 360 that could be crucial to watch. Let's examine the 15-minute chart for even more detail. The recent price action has been choppy, with numerous short-term swings. The volume is relatively low, indicating that traders are hesitant to make significant commitments. We're currently hovering near a crucial support level around 358. If we break below this level, it could trigger a more substantial sell-off. The short-term outlook for the QQQ appears to be bearish, at least until we see a clear shift in momentum. The recent sell-off and lack of volume indicate a lack of buying confidence. The 15-minute chart shows the potential for a break below the 358 support level, which could trigger a steeper decline. However, it's important to remember that the longer-term outlook is still bullish. The daily chart shows a strong upward trend that may continue once the current uncertainty subsides. The long-term support level around 350 could provide a floor for the market. Let's look back at the daily chart and see how the QQQ has performed over the past few months. As we've noted, the QQQ has been on a strong upward trajectory since the beginning of October. This trend is supported by the news of positive economic data and strong earnings reports. We can see a significant bounce off the 350 support level, which suggests that the market is holding this level strongly. Now, let's shift our focus to the 1-hour chart and narrow down the view to the last 24 hours. Here, we see a series of higher highs and higher lows, indicating a strong bullish trend. The 1-hour chart also shows a break above the 365 resistance level, which suggests that the bulls have regained control of the market. We're now observing a significant increase in volume, indicating strong buying pressure. This suggests that investors are confident about the future direction of the market. The 365 level has transitioned from resistance to support, and it could act as a launching pad for further upside potential. It's important to remember that the market is constantly evolving. While the short-term outlook may be bearish, the longer-term outlook remains bullish. The QQQ is likely to continue its upward trajectory, but we need to monitor the market for potential reversals. Key price levels to watch include the support level at 358 and the resistance level at 365. If the QQQ breaks below the 358 support level, it could trigger a significant sell-off and shift the short-term outlook to bearish. On the other hand, a break above the 365 resistance level would signal a continuation of the bullish trend. The long-term outlook is more positive, with the 350 level providing strong support. Be sure to stay informed about the latest news and economic data, as these can significantly impact the direction of the market. Keep an eye on the volume, as it can provide valuable insights into the strength of the trend. Remember, this is just an analysis based on the available information, and there are no guarantees in the market. Always conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.